Head. Oh, no. Yeah, I got in a GG cell last night too. During one, I was up. I entered a cell. I got 10 pips a little bit, and my runner got stopped out. I was like, fuck.
Nice.
If you look at the 4 hour, you'll see where I kind of got in. Like 4 hour for GG last night, I had a position from up here, right here. Stop loss was like
Ooh,
right
shit.
here, 4 hour close. We broke the low here, so I'm like, okay, we're probably gonna continue down. We did continue down, but like, my runner got stopped out, so.
Yeah.
Too much. Damn, first trade of the day. Those plus 10. What up, everyone? Yeah, gold should tap gold buys. You missed it. Well, yeah, entries would have been, yeah, it's gonna go to 183, 184.
183. Yeah.
But yeah, the entries would have been down here on this kind of closure, and then stop loss would have been down there, and then TP would have been up here, and go up to here, easily up to here. Like nothing stopping it. Just it's a little too late for an entry now. You're like 40 pips behind now, so or 30 pips behind. Your stop loss is gonna be huge if you enter. So yeah, cause the 1 hour closed bullish here, and stop loss would have been like, I don't know, 40 pips. And then this place gonna get filled now because he broke out his range. So now we're gonna come up to here probably. Oh, this is the same situation we were in last week. Remember this count was bearish and you closed on the 15, and after the 1 hour was still bullish.
Wait, what?
Remember last time when, like last week when you were actually we entered this trade. We entered a buy here, but then you closed because it was bearish here. This count was bearish.
Yeah.
And then like the 1 hour is still like a little bullish. Look at it, right? The same trade with that. The same trade. Yeah, I was thinking of gold buys too, but then I seen GJ and I went with GJ because it looked a little cleaner. But both are really clean. Yeah, expecting GJ to continue down here. I closed my runner and everything though, so no wait for another opportunity. Cause we're out of minus support, so be aware of that. Cause the 4 hour is like support draw to crash. You have a support right there, so be aware of that. Like, I'm expecting it to continue down, but you know, if that's support, can't do anything. Let's see. The 4 hour did break the low here, right? So this kind of should just continue coming down. I wasn't expecting a full retrace of GG, but let's see. Cause the overtrend trend is bullish though on the daily. So maybe we might find some support at 133, 760, 800 area, and then let's see. We're probably not gonna get buys in today though. Buys are probably gonna be like next week if anything, but we gotta see how today closes. Most likely gonna we're most likely gonna continue just
Probably take buys if like a 30-minute high gets broken. Yeah.
Like, I want like probably GG's probably next week is probably gonna like tap this high again up here. Just what are we gonna do? Because now we have like perfectly clean traffic candles up here to go back up, so we can easily come back up to here. But it's not gonna be today. Should I wait for the next candle see if it closes out the box before entering sell? Or can I sell now? Like you could sell now. It's just that like it's very. It's not. I don't know. Like the 4 hour broke the low here, showing us signs that we're probably gonna continue further down. But like we're still at a strong support, right? So go to the left. Way to the left, we have resistance here, so we next to support here. I don't know. I was expecting it to break, but like I think, yeah, once we break below here, we should just continue down. But just you gotta determine where your stop loss is, because I was personally waiting for this kind of close out the range of the support range, but we closed back inside the range, so I'm like, oh, I closed my runner right there. So let's see. Yeah, for yeah, 30-minute looks like it's gonna fill his wick, but I don't know. Yeah, I think you should wait for the 15-minute to close bearish first before entering a sell. Yeah. I don't know who yesterday said US30 was bullish, but we're heading down.
Yo.
Yo. Yo, yo, yo. Early bird gets the worm. HG's coming down here. So now that 30-minute broke, guys, I guess like we're probably going to tune it down. Just gotta like, if I'm probably gonna wait for the 15-minute close first, so. But this is a minor support, right? It's like, because we have this like clean bull candle, so like, I don't know, the support wasn't as strong. Kind of just blocked it out. So, should just come down here.
Dang, wow. DJ. Dang, drop.
Yeah. I caught Tempest a little bit last night during London. Well, I wasn't up for London. I was up at like 1 o'clock, but I'll call it London.
Yo, done.
Yo. What do you want? US30 or oil? Oh, someone sent a chart. Nice.
US30.
Send me a chart.
Yeah, let me send you how do I send you a chart? My own chart.
Like, copy the link on TradingView. After send me a link on send me a link on YouTube or the Zoom chat.
Oh,
You always ask me to mark up charts. I want to see how you mark up charts. I've never seen a marked up chart by you before in a minute.
yeah.
It's been like since like probably August or something. Somebody sent a chart here. Let's see. So GJ, yeah. So while I was waiting for GJ, this is the thing I was looking at. I'll wait for like probably a bearish candle to close out this range. So like something like this. If this candle closes bearish like this, you can say that next candle is probably gonna continue down bearish, retest this high. You know, so to wherever the next support is, because the 4 hour did break the low. This is the 4 hour low right here. So probably going to tune down. Let's see. Yeah, we need a closure here though. We have 5 minutes left, so just be patient for it. Don't try to get it now, because you know it can actually close bullish though. Never know. Because now if this is like the first hour of this is like the first 15 minutes of the first 15-minute candle of the hourly candle, you can say that this might be the 15-minute high 1 hour high to continue coming down. So because we close bearish, if we close bearish, you can say that's the first 15-minute high, and after the next 15 closes bearish, you can say that that's probably the 1 hour high and a 30-minute high. So it's been coming down. Do GPAUD. Well, you can send me a chart and I will look at it. Jamaican Boy Show.
Check the chat.
Got you. Jimmy, what up, bro?
Good.
You enter any trades last night?
Nah. Yo, that deluxe album is so fucking fire, bro.
Yeah, it was fine.
Yo,
You guys listen to the Drake one?
What?
Yeah.
That's the whole album, my guy.
So good.
Just the Cardi track?
Yeah, I like
Yeah.
that.
Pretty fire.
So
I'm not gonna lie. I wasn't expecting it to be like. I wasn't expecting it to be like decent. Yo, so don't send the link, bro. Send the like the copy, like
send the numbers.
the
It's in the
just
description.
no, I'm talking about lock. Lock. Send the fucking. You know how you know where the camera icon is? Click that and then click copy image URL.
Oh, okay, okay.
Don't send like the actual train view link though. I can't open it. I don't know why.
Oh yeah, my bad. Copy and then.
Yeah. Come on, man. Aren't you in biochem?
Yes.
It doesn't have to do with anything.
Am I
Alright.
doing something wrong? Aren't you in Balchem?
What do you see?
I want to sell if it breaks below that zone.
Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, you come down to here. Yeah. Yeah, it is bearish. Yeah, because the daily broke the low after 4 hours. I mean, bearish, I think. Yeah. Let's see the
'Cause
4 hour
every
low.
I've been just selling every time it just breaks it. So
Yeah, 4 hour low. Yeah, it's gonna come down in here probably. Just 30. This range. It just needs to break out this range first. If you look at it, we're in this range. So you get a breakout candle below here. We should just continue down to that CP area. This Friday looks so good, bro. Like I don't know why, bro. This Friday looks.
yeah, I know.
This Friday looks great. Like every Friday is like like the past 2 Fridays have been good. Like by the way it looks and the setups and everything, it's just Fridays have been my best days for the past 2 weeks. Can't sleep on Fridays. Obviously some Fridays are dud, but like this Friday looks good.
Yo, that GJ looks juicy, man.
Yeah. I closed my runner up here. Should've left my runner. Yeah. GJ.
Are you expecting price to reach that yellow line today?
Yes, I am. But it has a long way to go. But yeah, I'm expecting to maybe retrace down fully. I wasn't expecting a full retrace because we're still bullish, right? Like other than
Yeah.
if we don't, as long as we don't break 132.642, we're probably bullish. But like the weekly's bullish, everything's bullish. But like that's a long way down. Yeah, 132 is a long way down. So like, I don't know, pricing is literally just reversed anywhere. That's the thing. We just need to make support, but yeah, right now it's looking most like sells than buys to me.
Hourly, it's still bearish.
Hey bud, how are we doing today? We're doing pretty good.
That's
Pretty
like
good. I'm looking at as a stop loss, 353. That's a little too high of a stop loss. Your stop loss should not be all the way up there. If you were to enter that sell that you mentioned, your stop loss should be like minimum 134, 186. Minimum. But like yeah, since we're 15 closed there, say this is your stop loss now. Like we can move it to break even right now. I would move it to break even. Because the 15-minute close bearish, so and you're in profit, so right here is probably where I'll move it to break even if you're getting up here. But if you're looking to enter now, like I think stop loss. If we were to enter now, I think stops would be better up here, 134, 169, right? But like that was like a 26 pip stop. I don't know. I'm not really looking for entries right now. It came down a little too far. Maybe if the 30-minute retraces back a little bit and closes, we'll get a stronger confirmation. Yeah, the 15-minute close bearish, but I'm waiting for to see how this 30-minute closes.
We look at NAS.
Nas?
Yeah, NAS and SPX. Love those pairs.
Gold is gonna touch 1683. Up here 480. There's no reason why it shouldn't. Because you know we broke out this range and then we closed bullish here. This is the amount of retest to go up. Look at the 1 hour, it closed bullish for a nice wick to get filled. So this wick, 9% of the time gets filled. Like my favorite wick that I look at, my favorite candle. And then look, right now it's filling a wick and going up. Because like technically once it fills a wick, it's technically breaking the highs of that candle once it fills the wick. So you can anticipate that prices will just keep going. So like same with GJ, like for example earlier up here, when we broke the 1 hour low, I'm like, okay, once you break the 1 hour low, we're probably gonna head down to fill this wick. But once you fill this wick, this low will get broken as well. So then now we're just continuing to go down, right? So sometimes you can just anticipate those things to happen instead of just waiting for it to happen. Because it just makes sense. If one breaks the low, it's gonna go down to their support, which is right here. So once it breaks that, once it fills that wick, because these are wicks, these aren't body candles, right? So these moves you can just anticipate. Yeah. Yeah. Gold just tapped 84 or 83. So right now, if I wouldn't be looking for buys. What you could do is probably just you could. Yeah, right now would not be a safe buy at all because then your stop's gonna be down here, and like kind of deep. I wouldn't be looking for any sells or buys or anything on gold right now. It could go up. It most likely will go up, but like you guys, where's your stop loss gonna be? You know, and what are the chances of it breaking this resistance? The chances are actually quite high of breaking this resistance and coming up to 87, but like you gotta determine your stop loss. If you're comfortable with like a 100 pip stop, then by all means go ahead. But like, you know, we're out of resistance there. It's not really the best entry for a buy. Break here. I'm waiting for GJ. We got 11 minutes left. If we close bearish here, the next candle just come down like next candle will come down like so, like this. I feel that way. This will be like the move I want, and then eventually we'll come down here at this support, right? So. Yeah, GG always like it retraces its full move every time. Like if you backtest it, here let me. Cause remember that Brexit thing, not Brexit, the vote. Remember that, Jimmy?
Huh?
I think Jimmy was here. You remember that vote we had in December? The pound?
Oh, the Brexit.
No, it wasn't Brexit. It was it was the what's it called?
Oh, the
Prime Minister vote.
Prime Minister, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where's the move? Right here? Remember? Oh yeah, right here.
Yeah.
Look at this move.
The one where it went from 130
Yeah.
something to 147.
Yo,
Look.
didn't one of what's it called? Hugh Banks guys.
Yo.
Yeah.
Check
yeah.
Do you remember that?
Check this.
20K, yeah.
Check this out. Check this out. This move came up 400 pips, right? And then within 1 minute, and then the next day, it took like maybe 12.
The next day. That was like
It took 12 hours to come back half its way, and then eventually it took like the full move to retrace. It took like 4 days, but like it was over a weekend, I think. But yeah,
Bro.
4 days, bro.
Bro, some man lost like 5 racks on that.
Nah, he lost 20 racks.
Yeah, 20
yeah,
racks. That's
is broken.
fucked, bro. Cause like it apparently didn't honor his stop loss.
Hello? KO 3 support? I lost
actually
20,000
jokes, bro.
because of you, motherfucker.
If you guys are joining the
That's-
stream,
That's where it originated from, bro. He lost 20K on that shit.
That's my boy, bro.
some ice in my hands.
Man actually lost 20 racks. Oh my god.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
Yeah, we're breaking this minor support here. Should come down. Should come down, guys. Let's see. Once when we broke it here, we actually came down. We came down to this.
Homie birthday, man.
come down. Homie's birthday?
It's my homie's birthday.
Which homie?
You don't know your homie. I gotta know
IRL.
he's from Atlanta, bro.
IRL, homie.
Like IRL homie. They tell me this ain't real life? Come on now.
Huh?
Tell me this ain't real life?
What? Sir?
Sir, what?
Would have been a very nice entry on the second candle.
Dang, it's May, bruh. That's crazy.
I know.
This year did the dash, goddamn.
Yo, I'm starting school in 2 weeks.
Hey, how crazy, man.
Got online Zoom lectures. So sad, man.
You have to do Zoom classes.
So shit.
Oh, GJ.
Oh shit.
So yeah.
Yep. This 15 minute
It's
close bearish.
gone.
I was waiting for a 30 minute, but it's alright.
I'm gonna sell
Yeah, I
GA,
caught
bro.
that.
Yeah, I'm gonna swing sell GA, bro.
Nice. Let's
Swing
go.
still
Wait,
GA.
swing sell. Let me. Yeah, let's just. I think G is gonna cut. GJ or GA?
Oh, you
GA. Cause they both don't they correlate, right?
Yes.
Let's move, bro.
Let's see. Where are you gonna swing it to though?
Just the bottom of the
Oh, you're selling. Oh wait. GA is bullish. I thought GA was gonna look like GJ. Oh, I don't know. It's at resistance, yeah. I mean,
like I wanna like sell it to. Let me look at that right now.
You're selling that?
Fuck it,
it's at a resistance. Like, I don't know. Like,
I'm gonna wait till it breaks.
like me personally, I'll wait for this forward low to get broken. Look for any sells. Like once we get like maybe like, so this forward low
Yeah.
is like this forward low is probably gonna be like here. I'll mark it out. This forward low is right here on GA. So you're going at like a 30 minute or something. You can see that we're in a range. So well, are we? Let's see. We're in like a. Yeah. So I think sell styles here would be better for a sell. I think TP would be like probably here, 133 like or like a 42 pip move because like we're so bullish here, you know. The daily's
Yeah.
are close bullish. But
I'll put sell stop.
yeah, stop. I just I think you should once like price gets closer there, you could look for where your stop loss will be because right now we don't know where because like we're just at a
If you sell your stop loss, would probably be that.
a nice support here. Let's see. Yeah, once you break out this range, we should just let's see go down. I'll wait for a breakout here though. Yeah, then we have a clean move down to like maybe here, and after that's when we move starts to break even, and just let it run till wherever your TP is. But yeah, just keep in mind, just be aware that like we're still a little bullish on GA. Yo, I actually thought I thought GA was gonna be down here, but it was like hella bullish. Yeah.
Who's after that news? Yeah, I'm just waiting out.
Yeah, just wait out, bro. It's a
Yeah,
Friday,
yeah.
so like,
I'm not-
don't expect
Yeah.
GA just like just reverse like that. If it didn't move already last night or anything during
Mhm.
London.
US 30, baby.
Oh, 30-minute close there? Oh no, not yet. Yeah. Yo, Sam, where's your entry? The 15-minute candle.
Yeah, when it was retracing.
Oh yeah, nice. The Roger got in.
I got like 9 pips and then close.
Nice. Perfect. That's it for a day.
Yeah.
Oh, Uster is coming down here.
Yeah, US 30.
coming down here. Well, yeah, once the 30-minute closes, you can enter a sell
Yeah.
actually. Your
I'm waiting for
sells
it to-
would be here, where it closes, and then let's see, stop loss would be here, and target would be like around here. It's like a 1-on-1-ish. You know,
Yes.
15 broke the lows here. So you could have had a sell stop here actually, anticipating that we're gonna continue coming down here, but it's alright. You can still enter here. Let's see. Yeah, it should be good.
Bruh, Drake dropped Chicago Freestyle. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Chicago freestyle is so good.
I fuck with that.
So like earlier, someone asked me about GJ. I mentioned I drew this out. The 15. I didn't enter because I was waiting for a 30-minute. But if you took an entry here for the 15, then be in profits.
Yo, When to Say When's a good song too.
What song?
When to Say When.
Oh yeah, didn't that song come out already?
Like that. Chicago freestyle.
Can I play Pay 1993 right now? Let's see.
Bro, every freestyle from Drake is good.
Bruh, I wish it was an interlude. Georgia interlude. Bruh, that shit. I wish the
That's
whole
something more
song
like.
come. Yeah, bruh, that shit was so hard for interlude. Where is the full song, motherfucker? I couldn't find this whole song.
Let's hear that.
I didn't even worry about it.
Yeah.
Wait, is anyone, you guys hear that? You guys hear that song? In the background?
No.
Oh, does YouTube hear it? Oh fuck, might get copyrighted here. I was playing Pay 1993.
By GJ.
Hi GJ. Hell nah. Hell yo. Yesterday someone in IML was like trying to tell me US is gonna buy here, and I looked at the daily. I looked at the daily time frame.
Bearish.
Cause like yo, the daily was like right here at support. I'm like, oh okay, it makes sense. I see why they bought it. It's calling tops and bottoms, bro. And I'm like, no man, the day you broke the low here, we're gonna go down, and like, you know.
What?
But you know, I don't want to like just say anything on them. I don't want to just be like, nah, we're going down. Like, well, why are you buying? Because then again, it's at support. You could buy, yeah, sure, but like, it's not the best idea to buy. You know?
Were they all? They're all in your premium, right?
No, it wasn't in premium. It was in another group. I told them like, be careful of this area right here, because we can actually come down to this level right here.
People got so fucked. They tried buying and filled the gap.
People tried.
Many things.
Yeah, many things, man. Oh, you guys can hear that song? Oh shit, my bad. I think I US 30 or some shit. I don't know. No, I don't know.
Bruh. It's like people. This is the thing we got to start learning, bro. All right, for a gap, like, let's see, for a gap to get filled, it doesn't usually like take. Sometimes it takes like a day to get filled, or it takes a few hours to get filled. But the thing is, gaps don't always have to fill.
Yeah.
You know? And people.
Yeah, there's like
just
10
don't get it.
gaps.
Like people. Yeah, it could be like 10 gaps, and you never know when it's gonna get filled or not get filled. Because sometimes
Bro,
it gaps and then just continues. Like
it's like US 30. Yeah.
Like you remember when it opened on I think like that was a week or two ago, and it just became straight bullish, and then yeah, and the rest is the rest. It hasn't came down to fill that gap. Like
there are
it might fill the
gaps at
gap,
the
I don't
very
know,
top though.
a week or two, or
The US
not
30.
at all. You know, people just don't like it. Don't the gap isn't always gonna get filled. People always try to like think they're taking advantage of the broker or whatever, and think the gap's gonna fill instantly. It's not, yeah. There's no all gaps don't have to get filled. The market's gonna do what it wants to do, you know. People expect it to, fill the gap in like a day or two, or a week or two, you know.
Jimmy
But
with the
it could
wise
just,
words.
bruh, I don't know. I learned that shit, man.
actually got in GG here. I'm gonna put a stop to break even right away. Right, I delete off. Oh, I delete off my screen by accident. But yeah, I got on his 30-minute candle. My stops at break even right now though because like we're retesting the low here.
33849.
And usually when we retest when like we fill in a wick and like this kind of usually retraces a little bit. So like this time we stops to break even here. I got on his 30-minute candle right when it opened. But I'm expecting this to maybe retrace a little bit. So I like closed 50 already. This is like the quickest thing I ever did. It was like 2 seconds. It was like literally the quickest 10 pips of my life. But yeah, I closed like 50% here.
That's not trade order, bro.
Stops to break even right now too.
What happened?
There's not trade war going on.
What happened?
The U.S. and China.
They just come out. Let's see.
Yeah, it came out yesterday. I'm reading the article right now.
Oh.
Selling may go away. I'm done.
So US 30. So I just explained US 30. You know, I just explained it. It closed how you wanted it to. Stop enter review right now. You know, stop. I won't trade. Like I'm not trading US 30 today, so I'm not really gonna like look at it. Usually when I trade it, you see something on my screen like I have for GJ. But since I don't trade it, yeah, I'm not gonna really put it on my screen. But I said my target was here. I said if we break below here, we should continue down here. Stop loss would be up there. Oh, this is the 1 hour high. But yeah.
Trade what you see, not what you think.
Yeah. So we broke out a range here. You know. Yeah. What up, Michael? What up? I'm not sure which Michael you are, but.
Michael.
But like, yeah, like me, I wouldn't like look, we're at a minor support on 15, so like I'll actually wait for this low to get broken here on the 15. We did break out a 30, but the 15 is still like in his range, but like yeah.
Yeah, I didn't sell yet.
Just wait for 15 to close maybe. But yeah, the chance of it coming down is high. It's just wait for this 15. Come on, GJ. You see how GJ filled the wick and then this because it opened a not top wick, right? So that's why I moved my stops to entry so early because we opened a not top wick, it just came straight down, showing us signs that this might just be a retrace to continue going back up to maybe retest 133.969 before continuing down or something, right? Because this is a minor support at level 2, so just be aware of that. Yeah, this kind of might just retrace a little bit.
Yo, Don, what do you see on gold?
Bro, I just explained gold like fucking an hour ago, bro. I said I was gonna buy it to 84. Yeah, so that's it.
Oh, you have to bias after that?
I woke up at early 5:30 and I seen gold down here. Once the gold closed bullish here, this arrow candle, I was expecting it to come up to here and then that was it. Now my analysis for this is just a range probably, cause like now we're just in heavy traffic area. Cause like if price wants to go up, look how much traffic there is here. So better buys would be waiting for price to break above here, right? And that's just stuff you need to get used to. Once price reaches an area of a range, that's when you kind of just wait for price to break out of the range and start trying to buy in that range. You could buy in the range. It just depends. It just depends. But yeah, this huge move happened. The clear move would have happened down here. So would you rather have a move down here, from here to here, or a move from here to here? You know, because now we're at resistance. You can't buy at resistance. You gotta wait for it to break. Be aware of that. But yeah, GJ, I'm expecting it to go down. It just might not be this candle. So, see, my stops are break even for this. I'm like 4 pips in profit from a runner. Yeah, so
I'm gonna go look at some dusty pairs.
Dusty pairs?
CHF pairs?
Oh hell nah.
Bruh.
Bruh.
CHF, I ain't touched that shit in no time, man. How do they even move, bruh?
Bruh, barely moves. Barely.
Man, that shit moves one tip a day, bro.
Is silver prices going down in the short term? Short time. Silver? I ain't never looked at silver in my life. So I can't give you an answer for that because I'm not a silver expert. I'm more of like I look at more gold than silver. So if you ask me about gold, I can tell you where it might go, but looking at silver, I can't really tell you. I never pulled up a silver chart in my life. Ever. Yeah. Hey, Sam, you made 5% today?
No.
What was that, like 3%?
Nah.
SL?
Nah, like 2%.
That's still good on a Friday.
Yeah.
So like, take it technically, 5% is actually unrealistic.
Yeah, it's pretty
Technically.
unrealistic.
It's like people think like 30% is unrealistic, but then there's another level to it where like 5% is actually unrealistic if you're, you know, because like yo, taking a bank only gives you like, what 3% per year or per month or something like that. Well, how
Yeah.
much does the bank give you?
Something like that, 3% or like 2% a year, or whatever.
Yeah, like on your savings account, right? On your tax-free savings account, whatever. So like if you're making like 2 or 1% per day, like that's enough. Like this week, I made like 1% each day. I didn't make that much like this week, you know. I was just, it wasn't like the best week for me, but it was still a profitable week. So I was probably like, I don't know, like I made like 1 to 3% a day, like this week. So roughly, I think it was around like 15 or something, or 12 or 13, something like that. Still a profitable week. Like, it's better than blowing your account, cause like when you trade, like you're trading to live another day in trading life. You're not trading to blow your shit the next day and then reload every day, you know. Because if you're reloading every day, man, you should just take a step back and
See what you did wrong, bro.
not even that. Like people just think like seeing what you did wrong takes a day. It takes months. Like you take a step back for a month or at least weeks, months, like, and just really back test and just get better. Because what's the point? I'm just alright. I made a mistake today. Alright, I'll think about it tonight. I'll get better back tomorrow. Does that make any sense?
Like, it's basically like this, bro. It's basically like this. If you blow your account, right, and then keep reloading it, that's basically like you, like putting your money in a slot machine, and like slapping the fucking what's that shit, the button or the bar, and be like, let's see if I get lucky. Let's see if I make some money.
Yeah.
You know, it's all about.
Yo, what's up?
Basically, your
What's up, bro?
main goal of trading, bro, is to end the day blue, bro. Like in profit.
Exactly.
It don't even matter if you're up by like $10, $20. At least you're up, bro.
Yeah, because like I'll take this in. Like think about it. If you're blowing your account, let's say you blew your account yesterday, does it make sense to load your account up? Like let's say you made a huge mistake on a trade. You enter like, oh, you blew your account on one trade, right? Let's say that happened. Like, and then at night you take the night off and you say to yourself, well, I did this wrong, so now that I know that this is wrong, I'm fine tomorrow to trade again. That doesn't make sense because now you're just telling yourself what you did wrong, but you're not actually fixing the actual issue. You know, like I really go back and back test and just trade. Yeah, it's like that's the thing. People just like, you know, when they think about just fixing mistakes, that's what happens. Man.
What's it, bro? I learned this from Chain of Zone. What the freak is it called? Oh my god, what is it called?
A book?
Yeah, like I listen to audiobook because I'm not reading that long ass. What is it called, bruh? That's why I need to start writing things down. But I'm gonna listen to it. That shit's so fun.
Margin call. Come on, man.
No, not that. Margin preservation.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, margin preservation. It's basically like, bruh, like do this. If you don't feel like trading that day, or you're not in like the right mindset of trading, just don't trade that day, bruh. The market's here forever, bro.
Mhm.
If you like, you sleep, still here. If you like busy, it's still here. It's always here, bro. And like like yesterday, if you missed that move, don't worry, bro. Like look at the charts from like now to all the way back then. It's always gonna be more moves, bro.
Mhm.
Like just think of like FOMO as like it's basically not even real to be honest with you, bro. It's like a whole illusion, bro. It's like a market is always gonna repeat itself some way. Like sooner or later. You just gotta know when.
Gotta be patient.
Patience.
Cause look, here's an example of it. Like this gold candle right here, this one down here, this one came up to here at one point, and this is where people thought they missed the move, so they would have entered up here and anticipating that we're gonna come here. But then they had to face some type of drawdown because price retraces back up before the candle closed, right? So when the candle closed down here, this would have been a better entry to enter off of, because people think like they're entering up here because they think they missed the move. But how do you know a price is not gonna retrace? It can do anything. The candle didn't close yet. This candle right here, the 1 hour didn't close yet. Now it's closing, and then look how big this wick is. So the next candle might just pop up and continue filling this wick like this to retest the high again and eventually break out of it, right? Once it fills a wick. Like this, you know? And tap this area maybe. So like just stuff like this. You just gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. But yeah. Yeah man. What up Kusan? You said hi. We're talking. My running got stopped out here. Oh,
What's up, bro?
what up, bro?
So,
You will go a little late today.
Yeah, no. I'm still here though.
Yeah.
my alarm didn't go off, bro. I'm mad as hell.
GJ is currently pulling back. It's tapped this minor support, so like I'll wait for this hourly to close now. My runner got stopped out. I entered a position there. That's probably like my one trade for a day though. Cause I did mention earlier I was gonna enter off a 30-minute, right? So probably my trade for a day then. I took 2 trades. First one went like 10, second one went like 8 pips in profit, so oh, I don't know why Fridays are so like Fridays are, I don't know how it's so volatile today. You know, the past 3 Fridays have been the same, exact same. Like 2 Fridays,
volatile at the weirdest times.
no, like 2 Fridays ago, I literally caught like 40 pips. Like on like catching like 3 trades. Like I was catching like bear trades, just like 4 or 5 over trading. But then last Friday, I did like 3 trades, and this Friday it's like 2 trades. But still, these are better opportunities than like yesterday and the day before. Because we were just ranging yesterday, remember? We were just ranging within like a 12 pip range, and we couldn't do much. So now it's just like these moves are just a blessing on a Friday. Can you please tell me to buy or short for today to make some profit? What do you believe? I gave you guys, I gave you a gold buy from 77 to 84 we ranged. And now we're just pulling back. That was the move, you know? That's what I was looking for. But now it's just up to you. I told you that we're entering a range now because look, we're in like, we broke out of this range. Now where else can we go? Look left, where can we go? Down to here, because this is a minor resistance. So once you pop up to here, you're gonna have some trouble because once price looks left, it has some traffic. So what you'll wait for actually is just wait for price to maybe like pop up to here, range a little bit, and then continue up to here, tap this resistance. But this is just a range now, right? So like if I were to draw this out, your trading areas would be like this. The green is gonna be the good areas, and the red is gonna be the bad areas. So let me draw it out. You have this now. This will be your good area. This is your bad area. This is your range. This is the trouble area. And after once you break out here, this is your good area again. So like, just wait for a breakout of this range to come up to here later, you know? But you can anticipate things to happen, but that's just a little more complex. Yeah. Because right now, once the hourly closes bullish here, I'm expecting this next candle to come up like this and pop up to tap this resistance up here. Because we had to spike up, now we're just going to come back slowly on this candle now, on the next hourly candle. Just things like this you gotta get used to happening in the market. You can't just expect price to keep going up. And you gotta get used to just securing profits all the time. You gotta get used to it, man.
You never know when a real hard retrace gonna happen. So
yeah,
it's better to get some than, you know,
My
Yeah.
grandma can trade better than this. Well,
Huh?
I hope your grandma is very profitable.
Very
Got
good, very good.
Pikachu Solu. Come on, man. You have no face on your profile picture. Come on.
Bro, if somebody said that to Ted, he would be irate.
What happened?
If somebody said that to Ted, he would just go ham.
You'd say that was the most
He'd be like,
funniest line ever. He was
I'm
like,
a-
he said, like, 5
people that
stupid
don't show their
questions.
face.
So gold's going down to 1650 USD. Well, sir,
No.
sir,
Sir,
sir, for us to go down to
No,
16,
thank you.
give me
16
your phone right now. Give me
For
your
us-
phone right now.
here, yo, for us to go down to 1650, we need to break this low. Think about it. Why would, like, just think about it. Would it be better to sell up here and just have to worry about breaking this support, and after breaking this support down here, or just waiting for this support to get broken and just sell down here? Come on, man. You know better than this.
Why? Why would you sell it?
Yeah, sure, it could sell. It could sell here, but we just don't know that yet. We don't know that's gonna sell here. Like, what do you have?
Need
Six,
more confirmation.
a 61.8 fib level of retracement here. Like use that. Use that. Wait. Who wants me to challenge this nerd for a one-on-one trade-off? Well, if you think about it, man, what's the trade-off really gonna do?
What's gonna help
What's
you?
what's the trade-off gonna do? It's gonna be luck, literally luck, because for example, let's say I have a trade, like here, I'm gonna put this into let's say someone asked me this already, and I told yeah. Give me a second, let's see what I said to them. Let's see. And these questions are just crazy today, man. I don't know why Fridays are so funny.
Funny Fridays, man.
Funny Fridays. That's it. Let's see.
Who wants me to challenge this nerd
Yeah.
for a 1v1 trade-off?
If silver prices is falling, I'm gonna shut everybody. I promise. Well, there's nobody really going against you.
Don, you gotta 1v1 this guy.
Yeah,
So why not?
yeah. As I just said.
All I know is one of y'all blowing your account. And it's not gonna be Mr. Vote.
Here, let me see what I said the other day to this guy. Somebody asked me.
I mean, how much they trying to put up?
Not saying that. It wouldn't even work because this. I know why it wouldn't work. For what I said though.
It's okay to back out if you were scared. It's easier to teach than to trade.
Good to troll, bro.
Bro, this live stream is teaching and trading.
I literally entered 2 live trades on my stream this morning. What?
You got a profile picture?
Come on, cuz.
No, you don't got it for
Nah.
my picture.
Typical.
Show your face, man.
No.
No face, no case.
It's cool, bro. No face, no case. Bro.
It just wouldn't make sense. Cause look, take this in. Okay, so this is what I said. Like, if you're having a trade-off, you got social media. I'll hit you up and you can see who I am. Alright,
Can't do it with
Pikachu.
some random person.
Alright,
like,
Pikachu
obviously,
solo.
like, that-
No, it's not even that. It's just like, okay, let's say you have a 5k balance, 5k start balance. I have a 5k start balance. What's the time? Like, let's say we have a time limit. Cause obviously that you have to have a time limit for have a trade-off, right? So, because the other day I seen 2 people arguing about this, and I was in it. I was looking at it. I was like, this is so stupid because 2 people can have the same balance. They can start off, and then you have to have a time because that's how a trade-off is. You have to have a time. You can't just like trade to whatever whoever gets there fastest. That wouldn't make sense. So Like you have to have a time. Let's say it's like a 5-day span, or let's say a 5-week span. So within that 5 weeks, let's say, what did I say? Let's say, let's see. Let's say one guy would, I forgot what I said to him. 5 weeks span, let's see one guy,
Bro, who wakes up at 7 a.m. this mad trying to do a trade off?
and people just come on the stream and just fuck
Right.
around.
The morning just started, right?
I'm not even block.
Yeah.
I'm not blocking them just
You
because
should be on the.
I'm letting it go because it's just funny, you know. So like I don't take shit like this ain't personal or anything. It's funny, but like, what did I say? There was a battle going on between these two guys. It was in the Uncle Ted chat. I was reading it. It was funny. But I forgot what I said. I was in it. I deleted the chat too, so I can't even see. Ugh.
TVs, what it is.
Man, I can't find it. I'll bring it up again. I'll bring it up by the end of the call again. Forgot what I said though. I'll look for it. Let's start fucking USD. Whoever makes the most money in 30 days wins. See? It's like whoever makes the most money in 30 days wins. It's like, yeah, you're setting a time limit. Like, what if your trading plan is like let's say, let's say your trading plan is to make 20% a day. Then my trading plan is to make 5% a day. It doesn't make sense. Like, cause like it's all different. Unless we're the same type of person, and we have the
Bro, give
same.
him your Instagram. I wanna see who this is.
Give an investor for your viewer. Yeah.
Instagram, bro.
Yeah, hit me up on Instagram, buddy. Hit me up on Instagram, buddy. That sounds like he's from Pain 1993.
I wonder if his name's Pikachu in real life.
Alright, anyways, the 1 hour is not close bullish here, so the chance of us coming up to here is quite high, guys. So
Damn. That was crazy.
I'll find what I said.
What, Jimmy? Are you in GA?
Nah.
It broke your 4-hour low.
No, it's doing a retrace, but I'll wait till it retrace and then enter.
Deleted all of his messages. What the fuck?
Which?
Pikachu solo.
Yes. This thing annoying.
So, scared, bro. I got his IP. Gonna hack his
It's already too late, bro. You're done.
Hit me up on Instagram though. No, I'm on social media. I got it. So what's gonna happen? I had to add a pick. Y'all made it awkward not to have one. No, there's nothing wrong with pick. It's just like, if you're just like, it's just people who just like have no pick and they're just talking no face to their name, no name to their name is Pikachu Solu. You know? Oh, like, it's funny because like people wake up at 6:30 in the morning, they have nothing to do better in their lives and just hop on a live stream and just talk. No sense. You know? But I caught 18 pips today. I'm happy. Let's see what Gigi doing. Let's see what Gigi doing. Yeah, Gigi's coming down. Made a top wick here, coming down. Still continue pushing. When I was on close bearish, you know, you just gotta determine your stop loss now. Where's it gonna be? Yep. Church stream on a 1 hour. Is Jalen here? Let me invite Jalen. Yo, you guys know Jalen? Jimmy, you know Jalen?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, London. Let's see if his Wi-Fi is bad though. Whenever he goes on Zoom call, his Wi-Fi is terrible. Let me invite him. All those prices are manipulated. Yes. It's manipulated. Yes. Let's see what gold's gonna do. I'm expecting gold to like this candle. Next candle is probably gonna come like this. If this candle closes bullish, as long as we respect this low, we're gonna go up, continue to go up, right? So now we're gonna probably pop up like this, like I said, and then close like this. We're gonna break this high, because once we fill this wick, we have a high chance of breaking it as well. So we're gonna tap this level of resistance right here. I think we're gonna tap up here, but that might be a little aggressive. Right here would be better. But yeah, this candle next candle will pop like this probably, most likely. You just gotta respect this low to go up, right? So. There's gold. GJ, you can't really enter GJ anymore because stop's gonna be too big. Like it's not even gonna be a 1-on-1 anymore. So, like, you know. Gotta wait. No opportunity here. Yo, what happened?
It just got quiet. I thought my mic was messed up.
You're just asking dumb questions, bro. Dumb questions. It's irrelevant. The questions that are like, how long did it take you to be profitable? How long did it take you to be a consistent
How much
trader?
did you
How long
start
did it take? It's just how much you start with. It's are irrelevant. Like what I did
Why?
will not affect. Will not it's not. We don't have the same life. It all depends. You know, like we have different life situations. Things gonna happen.
Different strokes for different folks, bro.
Yeah, like it'll take like, let's say for example, it takes some guy some guy 2 weeks to get profitable, alright, and it took me like 6 months. It's like they just got they just have like something that I don't, I guess, like I don't know, but like it all depends, you know. All right, then what are the right questions? The right questions should be like, done. I'm in a jiu-jitsu right now. It's currently at this support. What do you think is gonna happen here? It's just stuff like that, you know, like, or like, is it better to leave a runner or this? Like, is it better to leave a runner to TRP or is it better to close partial 10 pips? Just stuff like that that will actually help you and improve your trading. Not just questions like, how long will it take to be profitable? How long this? Because then you're just asking because you wanna match up to that person and you wanna like how do I say this? You think just because it took them 5 months, it'll take you 5 months too, but it probably won't. It might take you
Maybe it'll
shorter.
take you like
It might take you 2 weeks. It
or
might take
longer.
you 2 years. You know, it might. You know, you never know. But like those questions are just irrelevant, and it would not help you in any sense. Trust me. I used to ask those questions all the time because I was struggling to be profitable trader, so I kept asking whoever my mentor was, kept asking them, yeah, so how long did you do this? How long did you do that? But it's not gonna help you. 100% is not gonna help you at all. It's gonna give you like, it's gonna tell you like maybe like, and give you their history, but it's not gonna really do anything to your life self, you know. So just next time don't ask. Or like even the question I get the most is uh what's the most common question I get? I think it's how long it takes you to be profitable? All varies, all varies. Cause I know people who are like been training for 4 years and they're still not profitable today. So this data not profitable. So, you know. 4 years is a long time, or even 2 years. Like, I guess it takes like an average, like I guess a year, 2 years to be profitable. And it's like some people it takes like 5 months though. So, it all depends. Someone sent a chart, nice. Yeah, see, I rather get charts in these questions because then it will help you. Okay. So what's your? This is like the same chart I have. Yeah, target for today, forever low, stop loss. Yeah. But like next time, just kind of just like label it more, you know. Show me like what you're trying to look for. Cause like right now, if I'm looking at this chart, it's just a replica of my. It's just it's the same as my chart, you know. So show me like, oh, that's your entry. Makes sense. Yeah, show me your stop loss and show me your TP. Like if you don't have the risk to reward tool on your training view, just it should be at the bottom left somewhere. Just find it and just put that on your chart. So then I can see your entry, your TP, and your stop loss much clearer. Because I didn't see this entry here. Should I move my stop through entry right now? Thing is like this. So, thing is this. We know that this is your target down here, right? And we know that this is the hourly high, right? So, or yeah, this is the hourly high, right? Is it? Where is it? This is the hourly high up here. So like, since the hourly closed bearish down, your entry was here. It's in the middle of this area. It's in profit now. So I'll say move stop loss to entry. But the thing is about that is once you move the stop loss to entry, the chances of us coming up to retrace up to maybe here or here is high, and then continuing down is even higher, because technically a proper stop loss would be this 1 hour high, right? So like, do you want to risk your profits here, or do you want to move stop loss break even and risk chances of it hitting break even and continuing down later? So like, I'll honestly, I'll move it to break even because price has a high chance of retracing up. But it's just that like you might get stopped at entry and then price might come up down later. But I'd rather get a better opportunity later to sell than to sell right here, because right here the chance of it coming back up is high, but also the chance of it coming down is also high as well. It's just, this is the 1 hour high of the candle. So these are things you gotta get used to, you know, because I'll look at the highs and lows. The highs up here. So like, I don't know, like looking at this, like price might do something like this maybe. Like price might make a support here maybe. Let's see. If it respects this low, it might make a support there, and then eventually we'll pop up to maybe this resistance right here, and then we'll start ranging in this range. So maybe if you get like a break below here, you can sell it down and you have a better entry with a better stop loss as well. So yeah, I'll probably just move stops to break even if anything, and just let it run to CP. Take that chance. I wouldn't want to lose on a trade like this, you know, because you're in profit by like a good, I think 10 pips or something. So just let it run. Yeah, your entry is there. Yeah, let it run, bro. Run. Should be good. Let's see. Yeah, you're like 12 pips in profit. Like, at this point for me, since we're nearing TP, I'll close 50% and leave a runner all the way to TP. So this way you secure profit. You don't have to worry about losing profits once price gets back to here. That's the best thing to do right now. So yeah, got you, bro. Oh, how did I do that runner thing? It's kind of confusing to explain. Do you know how to explain it? Oh, Dream's on mute. Just you think you go to your position, you click on modify, and then you click like, you'll see like negative 0.01, negative 0.10, and then you have your entry price, and you have plus 0.01, plus 0.010. So just click the negative 0.10, and then it closes half your position. It closes like 0.10 of your position. If you have like a 5 lot, a 0.5, 0.05, click the 0.01. You click it like wherever you want to close. Like if let's say you want to close 0.02s, just click 0.01 once, and then it'll make you close 0.2, and then you have a 0.3 running. It's kind of confusing. Just watch a video on it, or yeah, if you didn't get what I said, I can't really explain it here. But yeah, just click modify. You'll figure it out. It's pretty simple. It's not that confusing. GG goes on, pull back here, come back up. As long as this low does not get broken on gold, we should not be going back into range. If this low gets broken, the chance of us coming back into range and continuing down is higher, because now this will be a fake out to go down. So then then if you look now, like if we were to come down, where we're gonna go? 1661, you know, but we gotta break this support first. Yeah, but yeah, you have to have a 0.02. You can't really close partials with 0.01. Unless like your broker has some type of like 0.005 type stuff, you know. Standards are minis. But I can do it with 0.01. Yeah. I don't know, or just take profit here, you know. It's reaching your target today. It's gonna enter a minor support here, so like, I don't know, maybe take profit. But yeah. This whole move retrace, that's crazy, man. That's crazy. Full move trace. I had entries last night around here, but I got stopped out at break even by like a pip. I had entries from here. 100 pip move. Yeah. It's gonna come down to the target level, guys. So. I wanted to, but I'm gonna feel so played if I keep going. Well, like it's like 10 pips off away from TP. It's just that, just close it. Like maximize the profit and call it a day. Like you don't have to have it doesn't have to hit TP. You know. You just.
It's like this. It's like being $10 away from 100. Like, would you rather take $90 now, or wait a few minutes and lose the whole $90?
Yeah, cause it's literally 8 pips away, right? So like, I've seen people, and I had a talk about this in the VIP chat last week. Someone missed their TP by 0.01 pips, and I'm like, why didn't you close? They're like, because I know it's gonna come down there. So now the retracement on that thing was 70 pips, cause they're like 80 pips in profit, and it retraced 70 pips, and then it never came down to that 0.01 until like this week. But yeah, like, it's not just take profit, It's nearing TP.
It doesn't have to smash TP.
Okay, cause like let's say,
No.
cause like your TP is here because support's here, but what if support was up here? You'll take profit up here, same thing. So, and then like just don't be that guy that just always says I should have left it. I should have took TP. If you're gonna keep holding, because just listen. If it depends on your risk, right? If you want to hold it down here, then you can hold it down here. It's just that you're risking losing these profits because price might retrace up. Just that's the thing. Like you want to take that risk. It all depends on your risk. It all depends on you. Me personally, I would take profit right here, down here, because right now it's retracing literally. So, yeah. Do whatever your comfort level is, but me, my comfort level would have been taking profit down there. I would have been fine with it. Perfectly fine and happy. Yep. Take those profits. But once gold breaks low, we're probably gonna come back in the range. See, we're nearing the low right now. See what this count does. Let's see. Go trippy.
sold at 1676.
Yeah, so gold broke the low here, so now look at gold. Now we're probably gonna continue back down to fill the range now. Now this will be a fake out, go down. The chances of it filling the range,
Going is 1660.
yeah.
It's the lowest I see it going.
Because the 4-hour never
I'm
broke the
just
high.
looking at that one weight that has to fill. I mean, it doesn't have to fill, but it might fill. If the selling momentum keeps going.
Now why does USD JPY always appear in my MT4 when I delete it? Like, I don't trade this
I
pair.
don't know. It does that. I don't know. It's like an MT4 glitch because it does that with random pairs. I don't even know. Yeah, just hit up MT4, bro.
Oh. So once the 30-minute candle closes in the range, we're gonna come down and fill it. We broke the low, so that's step one. We broke the low, so the chances of it coming down now is higher than it before, right? Maybe complete its trend. So this is probably a fake down. Yo, Sam's there?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Oh, fucking. Yo, Chris is like a cook. Oh, chef now.
What?
Chris, the guy's like a chef now.
Yeah, he fucking loves to cook.
Bruh.
Ugh.
I made pasta. Like at 12 a.m.
Yeah, he's actually a good cook.
You tasted his food?
Yeah. A couple times. Pretty fire.
Did his girl taught him or what?
Nah, he cooks most of the time. Like his girl doesn't cook.
Oh. Damn. I didn't expect Chris to be a cook.
Yeah. Chefing up. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I've been getting better at cooking too.
You?
You know what I'm saying? Like I know how to like I just learned how to boil water. Like
Yeah, this guy makes fucking this guy makes fucking.
You know, my cereal game crazy.
I know Jimmy cooks. This guy.
my milk to cereal ratio has been on point recently.
Yeah.
You know.
You know, I cook a little. You know, little cereal milk. You know.
Chef that shit up.
Cook that shit up quick. Ain't gonna lie.
No way, man.
But nah, I know how to cook a little though. Seafood God, he says.
GJ tapped this area here. Now, if you look at GJ, where we're gonna go now? See, now it's like the weekly kind of has a huge wick, We're closing the range though. Daily candle is just bearish. Let's see. 4-hour candle is like at the support. It's like we're tapping to support, and if price wants to go down further, we're just gonna have some trouble here. So like if price wants to go down further, we're gonna have some trouble here, and then eventually here. You gotta break out this range, and then once you break out the range, we'll come down further. So like maybe here or something, but just got some trouble here. That was the move. Just full retracement on GJ. So
Damn, GJ just keeps on going.
yep,
That's crazy, bro.
the full retracement.
Corrected.
GJ like
Corrected the whole move.
GJ always retraces his full move. I don't know why, but it always does that.
No way. Oh, whoopsie.
Yeah,
That's
always.
crazy.
Always.
Man, if you enter up the 4-hour for GJ, bro, you could cut a whole lot.
I did last night, but my runner got stopped out. Like my plan was my plan.
If you trusted the 4-hour, like you would have been blessed.
I did, but I went to sleep though, cause I was in profit at 10 pips, so I just moved it to entry. I went to bed.
Oh shit.
Like I had it right here.
Yo,
This
your
is-
stops were only weren't your stops only like 10 pips?
12 pips.
15 pips?
12 pips.
Should just held that shit.
This 4-hour candle is literally 12 pips. My TP would have been here. This is my target. I'm like, okay, price has a chance of retracing, but I'm not gonna hold the full position here. I'm gonna close 10 pips. So once I think price came down to here, around it filled this, once it filled this wick, I moved stops to break even, and then I'm like, okay, I should be good now. So it's like 17 pips, and then I eventually just hit my entry by like 1 pip, and then came back up. But it's alright. It's okay. Yeah. Cause like this 4-hour candle broke the low of this, so like next I'm expecting this to get a wick fill. Same like gold here. Where is it? On this candle, I'm expecting this wick to get filled. Same thing as the BJ. Those are my favorite candles. Like 80% of the time it gets filled. 80%. Like gold here didn't, like this wick didn't get filled, but the first one they get filled. These type of candles are amazing. But yeah, we're probably gonna head down now on gold. 72. Yeah, that's it for today though. Those moves are like, that's it. See what else we got. AUD, EURUSD, how's that? Yo, Lock, are you in US 30?
No, I didn't sell because
Yo, did you hold that oil buyer?
it keeps rejecting.
Did you-
and
didn't you-
it's- I don't know. It's still in the range. It didn't break off the range that you drew.
Oil?
No. Go to US 30.
Oh. Yeah, it tapping the support, right? 15?
Yeah. See, like it's still just chilling in there.
Yeah, it's in this range still.
Like I don't know if it's gonna. You need to see in 6 minutes or something.
In New York open already. I forgot. Yeah. Friday feels like it's so slow, bro.
Yeah, it's so slow. Yo, it's like it's just chilling, man. Just chilling.
Oh, AUD JPY just kept going down.
Oh, man.
Oh man,
Oh,
look at
man.
this. Look at this. That's great.
What the hell?
Yep. What else you got here? Guess I mean charts send them my way. Got like 5 charts today. I mean 3 charts today. It's pretty good. I think that people aren't saying charts because no one else is selling them. So like, it's a wave, you know. Like if someone sends the charts, they'll get that deal of it. But people just don't understand like what it means, I guess. In a chart. I know Kusan got on a year USD buy.
Yep.
Yo,
It's like, nah.
that's crazy. Yeah. It moves so slow. Like it moves normal, but like the pips are like super. GCAD.
Yeah, you can up your lot size when trading
Yeah,
ETH.
it's like USD CAD too.
I hate USD CAD. I hate that pair.
Why? What's wrong?
That's the
with it?
first pair I started with. That was the pair that I watched a 1 minute chart on for like 10 minutes, for like 10 hours. I hate that pair, man. I hate that pair.
Right. UJ is like motherfucking nemesis, man. It's just a fucking nemesis. I always be falling for the fucking double top fake out. That shit I always be doing.
The
man.
double top fake.
Don't tell me he saw the double top.
The double top.
No, it,
The top. The
you know, like it
M's,
does it.
W's.
Damn.
I hopped in. I closed out one trade and hopped back on the next candle. With the 0.2 looking took 50, then the rest of the end of the pound work. Nice. Yep. As long as you profit. But that was very risky.
Got the
Because-
triple.
Bitty.
The chances of it coming back up was quite high.
Yo, it basically reached your target. Well, it will soon.
Yeah, it's probably gonna reach it. Yo, this Friday has been like the easy. Like these
Slow.
the past 3 Fridays have been the easiest trading days of the week. See. I'm going through every list. The only thing we have left now to move is probably just gonna be probably just gonna be US 30 here. It's like the last move of the day probably. It might go up or might go down. If you do go up, we're gonna come up to here. If you come down, we're gonna come down to this yellow line. Where that? Yeah.
People already going to parties. Like the quarantine just got lifted yesterday. What?
Sir?
Why?
Why? Guess we made a support here on GJ. So let's go drop down to the 15. You know, we made a support here. Now let's see. Let's see if we make a resistance. Then we'll have a range. We'll come down here. Go this. Let's see. Technically we have to break this low to go down, but if we have a range and the candle closes below here, we'll come down and fill this wick. Right? So like if this candle just comes down, it has to break this low to continue coming down. But if you're looking for entries, you gotta wait for this range to get broken to look for a sell down here. But I think it's a little too late now if you didn't get out like anywhere up here or anything, you know. Quite too late now. Now we have a range, nice. At the resistance level, so now you can say this is a range. And now it's pretty simple from here. Wait for a break up or break down to buy or sell. But yeah, I wouldn't be looking for positions anymore. Day's not done yet. We have like a lot of time left, but New York just opened up, you know, so I don't know. The weekly is still bullish. The daily is still like we haven't broken the low yet. The low has to be broken down here. So until we break that low, I'm still bullish on GJ. But as of right now, these couple hours, I'm bearish. As the 4 hour looks, we're bearish. Who knows? Pricing just retrace all the way back up from here, tap the high again, rest it. You know, you never know. So. Yo, up here moves the quickest, like it has the most pips. Let's be this, GA. Yeah, GA looking like it might come up from here. Made a support, close bullish at support. Chances of us filling this wick is quite high. See, the 1 hour hasn't closed yet. So I guess GJ pulled back to create a liquidity wick and never broke the high here, so now it's gonna kind of fill this wick and eventually come down, tap this area of TP. Yep. Now we're sitting at strong support. Super strong support now. This is like the target for today, right? I put it at the the strongest support on the 4 hour and the daily. So let's see what happens here. Could come down, yes. It's just where we're gonna go. Gotta wait.
GA sir.
Yeah, GA broke GA broke that low. GAUD.
I was waiting for a 15 for this 1 week test before putting in anything. I was like, kept like.
I think once it breaks this low right here, 1 hour low, it should just continue down to here. Yeah. Eventually there. Eventually here.
Just waiting for a retest, bro. It's not risking shit. Put my stop at the previous 1 hour high after that retest. I waited to put the stop because I was like, it's about to retest like closer to it. So I was like, I'm gonna wait to put the stop. Damn good. This is good.
Yeah, the GJ move is done now, so now where we're gonna go. This is where people will buy. This is where a lot of traders will buy at. You know, buy it so they can buy it all the way up to tap a double top now. They'll buy all the way up to here now. I'll buy from here and I'll enter the stop loss like below here or something and put a TP all the way up to here. And that's how you lose money on tops and bottoms. As for Vietnam, it's like they're just chilling right now. Like,
Bruh, they forced me to come over. I'm like, yo, there's a whole pandemic going on. I'm not going.
no, like in Vietnam, I'm talking about like these guys are just like chilling. Like they're just living their best life right now. It's normal. Like nothing happened.
Yeah, bro. You still going to clubs and shit. I'm like, yo, what the hell is going on?
GJ just came down. Alright guys, I'm probably gonna hop off here. You know, there's really nothing left. I was just waiting for GJ's whole call, and we had to move down to target. So caught 18 pips today, and that's my day. So hope you guys enjoy the stream. Leave a like. You know, catch you guys on Monday. Next fresh new week next week. You know, NFT week. So take it easy today. Don't overtrade.